Hi YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. We got another 7.3 update, and also, take a look. I finally have my welder working. It actually works pretty great too. But as usual, another crappy day in Maryland. And what do we got under here? What do you think I'm working on? Oh yeah. You guys know what these are? We got a case of the glow plugs. Working on doing all 8 glow plugs. So that's coming up next. Gonna do that. And then I'm doing all 8 injectors, which I already have. I just have to install them. I figured since I'm kind of at a standstill with the manifolds, you know, I still have the one broken bolt in the head, and then I have the other bolt that's just stuck in there, which I keep spraying them down. Hasn't worked yet. We'll see what happens. We'll see if this. And the other side, I got 2 more bolts out, but I still have I have 3 exposed bolts, and then I have 1 that I think is broken in the head as well. Previous owner did not know what he was doing. We're definitely getting a lot of work done. Show you guys what the inside of a motor with 270,000 miles looks like. It's actually pretty clean. I'm going through each hole and I'm slowly cleaning them up a little bit, and I'm getting ready to put the new glow plugs in. So I'll keep you guys updated. Alright YouTube, finishing up the video from earlier. Glow plugs are in. I was unable to do the fuel injectors today. I'm running on 28 hours of no sleep right now, so I'm very out of it right now. I was able to cut the grass today, at the very least. Yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Hopefully I can get more work done on it tomorrow. Well, I definitely will be able to. This was one fix I did from this past week. I put reinforcements. The Harbor Freight welder didn't do too bad. I didn't even want to clean it up because I didn't really care how it looked. It's a welding part. It doesn't have to look perfect to me. But yeah. Actually, there was one more thing that I did today that I was unable to finish. I didn't have the special gasket maker. I didn't realize that there was a sealing O-ring, a metal O-ring that sealed this to the actual piece here, until I went to throw away the old boot and felt it's like a ring pretty much. Yeah, I'm glad I noticed that, because I ended up taking this all apart again. And like I said, tomorrow I just have to buy the gasket maker, put it on. It's a special gasket maker too. It's a red RTV, I believe, something like that. I gotta see if I can find what I have. But otherwise, that's where I'm wrapping it up. Alright YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters, signing out.